I do. What you say, boo? If I ask, would you say I do? I do. I miss my taco, but in kisses, hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just compete. Good morning. Hey Jazzy Doll Gang, welcome back to another weekly vlog, girl. I have been to the gym. Well, I just left the gym and I ran out of coffee, so I'm in here picking up some coffee and something for breakfast. Girl, I'm hungry. I've been trying to get my appetite back down because, baby, girl, I've been hungry, then I'm hungry hippo. Oh, here we go. Close by Maxwell. This is what I need. And we also need a coffee creamer. Let's see. Southern butter pecan. Dairy free. It's alright. I probably just won't add any sugar with this because I don't want it to be too sweet. Well, I have made it back home. I'm just about to put this coffee up and make me some as well because what? Your girl ain't had no coffee, caffeine, and yes. Well, actually, I have. I still been hooked on to the caramel frappe from McDonald's, but I gotta stop doing that. So I gotta stop doing it so often. Like I was going every morning. No, ma'am. I'm finna get on. What I need to do is get on Pinterest and learn how to make my own. So that might be a goal of mine today. I have a few errands to run, and then I gotta go to the shop. And then I think I'm just gonna have a chill day, y'all, because, well, not really, because I got a lot of stuff to do. School started back today for Aiden, so it's back to washing clothes for a living. So guess what I'm doing? Washing clothes. If you're a parent, girl, you already know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I did pick up this Southern Pecan coffee creamer. It looks like it's gonna be sweet. And I'm gonna try not to add any sugar. We'll see how it tastes without the sugar added. And if it's not hitting enough, then we add some sugar. It smells so good. Them dread had to do it the best, yeah. See how it tastes without any sugar. I gotta hurry up because I gotta get ready. What you say, boo? If I ask, would you say I do? I do. Eating an old school breakfast this morning, y'all. I made me some coffee and I'm finna make me a sausage sandwich. Ain't got no more ketchup, so I'm gonna just put some mustard on there. I really want to put some barbecue sauce on there because I'm feeling a little spicy. So it's just a regular little sausage sandwich today for you, girl. I gotta get back on my Zoom. I gotta get back on my Zoom and off of all this eating out and all this other unnecessary spending. So, baby, guess what? But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I gotta get a shower before I head to the shop, and I'll be back. What you do? Is it? No. I got to look at the email. It is. Bold and fruity. Suit.
Next, what this?
Hey y'all, so it's the same day. I just had to get a shower and come up here to the shop real quick, but the sandwich turned out so well. I should have put more lettuce in the little mixed stuff in it, but it turned out so good, y'all. Like, I'm probably gonna go home and eat some more. Cause I just had like a little piece, but I'm probably gonna bust it down again. And I really want something sweet. I don't need nothing sweet. But yeah, I just got a shower, did my skincare, and put on this little long sleeve shirt, and I got on some gray wide leg jogging pants and some slides. You know, just something chill. Just something chill, girl. And these little headbands, baby, obsessed. I don't know if y'all watch Chelsea Janae's YouTube, and I've been seeing De'Ara wear them too. But I've been said I wanted to get into these, but they have definitely inspired me to just go ahead and whoop them on out, baby. Cause yeah. And I actually found these at my local City Trends, girl. They was $2.99. I ain't get them off of Amazon or nothing like that. Not saying that I won't. I probably will order those too. But I got these. So I got everything. The shop is all nice and clean. I mopped the floors today. I cleaned up my area, cleaned the bathroom, and just got it, you know, together. You know, you function better when things are clean. But I did see this little like caddy at Ross that I'm probably gonna go back and get later on in this week if it's still there. I need it to like put my extra stuff because we growing, girl. We growing. But anyway, I'm just gonna get ready to head back home, girl. Ain't nothing special going on. Yeah, so that's how I talk to y'all when I make it home. Girl, today is Wednesday and we are about to head into Target. I just left the gym and honestly I'm waiting on Ross to open because I really want to go back in there and see if I can find that shelf thingy, but we're gonna waste some time in here in the meantime. Let's see what's new because let's see. Y'all, I haven't showed y'all yet, but I got this set. Well, this and the one piece set. I think I want to get this one too. Not this, but I do want that one. But yeah, let me look around because I'm not gonna buy nothing out here. I don't think. Oh, this is so cute, girl. This would be so cute with some tights and just like some sneakers. I guess these coming back this year. Well, I never threw mine away.
Your order is more than just items. Instacart shoppers make it happen so you get more time to save your life.
I'm gonna call in Publix and letting them know basically I bought this chicken a week or two ago, and without any problems, any back and forth, they told me to just come and exchange it. So it looks so much better, and y'all, it costs more, but I ain't got nothing to do with me. But I'm about to put this one in the freezer because I already got some. What? Up the stairs you go. The purifying, clear power mask. This is what she looks like. Thinking about doing this and then.
So basically I just been getting stuff done around the house, cleaning out corners of junk. So I mean that looks better than it did, but I think I'm gonna take this little thing to the shop, y'all. I could really use that for like extra storage at the shop, and it's kind of just here from when I was like doing makeup and microblading, shading from home, but now I work in the shop, thank God. You know, one thing I will say is it is very what's the word, I don't know, but I'm very thankful. It's a good feeling to like see your growth and like see like where you started from and to where you are now, which of course I have much more things to accomplish ahead, but to look back on from whence you came into where you are now and to see the growth it's a great feeling. So now I just got done doing some laundry, but so now we're gonna go ahead and put this stuff in my trunk. This is some of the stuff that I am going to be taking to the thrift store to give away. Someone else who may be in need of some things. So, girl, I literally got everything in here. So I got this bag, another bag. I got some boots. And let me tell y'all a funny story. Y'all, I got this hat from the thrift store because I needed it for like a photo shoot a couple years back. Baby, we're gonna return it. I'm sure somebody else can use it now. I don't know. This is kind of cute. I don't know. I might keep this. This would be cute for, you know, a little photo shoot. It's giving Renaissance. Beyonce. Giving away. Got this little bag. Babe, I used to carry this thing to the death of me. But I don't really, I don't carry it, so there ain't no need for it to still be in my closet. And then I got these boots. I actually got these boots from Belk's many years ago. I just simply don't wear them anymore. But I'm give them away, girl. They're 9.5. I'm gonna take them to the thrift store, but I might want to get my socks out of here first. This all is gone. I'm gonna go ahead and take this to my car. Yeah, you're right. I have some things done today. I did not record this, y'all, which is so stupid. But, you know, I cleared out that corner that I showed y'all earlier. And I just used some things that are already in my home and just repurposed and replaced them until I buy a new dining room table and do this whole area how I really want to do it. And I think it looks nice, simple. This is what I did over here, baby. Need to replace some lights. Anyway, picture, the mirror is crooked. We're gonna fix it when my boyfriend get here, but I cleaned my table off. I added this here to the center. And we put this picture over here in the corner. The mess is gone. Put that over there in the corner. It says Faith. And then we just did a little simple centerpiece. And what I really like about putting that mirror right there is, hey girl, get ready to see some pictures right here. Or even when I come close. Or even when I come closer. You know, new little spot to take some selfies. And then those I'm gonna put right here. But I'll show y'all that later. I'll actually record me putting that up. And then we gotta get some lights for that. I actually want to replace this whole light fixture because I hate it. It's ugly. And I don't even know why they would consider putting that in here. But I'm about to get a shower. Finally, it's 2:26 p.m. Girl, I ain't showered since I left the gym. I ain't did nothing to myself. But I've been, you know, doing stuff in the house. So I'll talk to y'all once I get out this shower, child. All right, dolls, I'm getting ready to head into Best Buy. We just left Top Tie. It was so good. 10 out of 10. Do recommend, but baby, it's giving 6 months. It's giving 6 months. Best Buy with a bestie. My bestie boo. All right, girl, I done made it home. One earring on, one earring off. Baby, I'm tired. So, I'm just finna get ready to chill for the rest of the evening, y'all. I am so full. I'm tired. I've been going and going all day. And it's time to get me some rest. I'm pretty sure nothing else is going to be happening tonight. So, I'm going to go ahead and say goodnight. It's 6:56, but still, if anything happens, or you know, if I have something new to share with y'all, I will be back. But if not, this is good night, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Hey, Jazzy gang. Ah! Okay, so girl, today is Thursday. Girl, I've already had a very productive morning. I'm just now picking up the camera. I went to the gym, girl. We were that. We were that, baby. We were that. I'm back on my Zoom, by the way. So yeah, so today we actually are gonna film a little, I don't know how I'm gonna word it. I don't know if it's gonna be like a self-care day, a girl's day in, like, I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. And yeah, I'm just getting set up. I'm finna get ready to film it. I'm gonna dermaplane my face. So I have this. I'm gonna do some eye patches, some skincare. Y'all already know. Or my ordinary, baby. This is the wing. Period. And then I just got my water in my wine glass or whatever. So I'm trying to make it quick, cause yeah. But yeah, so we finna do that. I'm trying to do a little shine for TikTok too. So trying to show everybody a little love. Trying to show everybody a little love. But I'll be back, y'all. Hey, girls. Hey, girls. So today is Friday. I just left the shop. And I also had to go to the wig store. I didn't record any of that because, girl. But I did pick up a few things. I also stopped by. Let me go get them out. Stop putting y'all on the counter like y'all ain't don't mean nothing to me. Let me get my mount. Alright, so as I was saying, we have been to the dollar store. I mean to to the hair store, and then I also stopped by Jolando's this morning, which is a cake bakery. And I got two things, y'all. But the thing is, honey, getting close to that time of the month for me, baby, I gotta do what I gotta do. And I ain't got time for nobody to be trying to make me feel bad about it. Cause I'm a 10 to me. I'm a 10 about me. But I got this chocolate turtle salted caramel bundt cake. So this is what it looks like. Girl, looks so good. Y'all been to the gym every day this week. And yeah, but it's getting close to that time of the month. Like, it's time to act up. So, baby, this strawberry shortcake, I'm gonna taste test both of them for y'all. I'm gonna do this one first because I feel like it'll be easier to clean my palate and then taste the chocolate. Because once I go chocolate, baby, so let's see, y'all. Gotta get a little whipped cream. Gotta get a little strawberry and a little shortcake. I'll do one more. Let me clean my palate. Oh, let me turn my light on, child. Now let's try the chocolates. I'm still I've been sitting over here planning stuff, but I am still enjoying my little area that I set up. This little centerpiece. I use things that was already in my home and just repurposed them like I said before. This picture is crooked, but it's mirror crooked, but we're gonna fix it. But yeah, girl, I'm finna get on my couch and have me some downtime until later, because I do have to go back to the shop today. And yeah, I got a really, really busy day tomorrow, so I'm just taking advantage of today to just chillax. But I will be back a little bit later. Hey guys, so girl, I am up from my little downtime and my nap. So I am just about to get a shower real quick. I'm probably just gonna do a fresh face, mascara, lip gloss, and I have an outfit picked out for today for the shop. Be putting on this white top. Y'all have seen me wear this before, and I've worn these a trillion times. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna do silver jewelry with it today. Usually I do gold, but I got some new shades, and I feel like the contrast, like how they get darker to lighter, will look good with silver. And yeah, so that's the look for today. I'm about to get my shower and get myself together, girl. So I'll be back. Morning, girl. So today is Saturday morning. It's currently like 6:54 a.m. and I am just about to get ready to head to the shop. I'm about to iron my clothes. Having me some coffee this morning, of course, top of the morning. But yeah, I had a lot going on this morning. I gotta get ready to head to the shop. I gotta wake Aiden up. He has football clinics this morning, so I'm taking him to my dad so that he can take him, because I gotta work this morning. But yeah, so I'm just about to get ready and prepare for a successful day. I woke up, I put my sausages in the air fryer because I'm gonna have a sausage sandwich. I'm trying to set myself up for success today. Even though I'm not really that hungry, I'm gonna go ahead and eat because, you know, I didn't schedule myself a lunch break. I gotta do better, start getting better at doing that. So I'm just gonna eat breakfast, make sure I drink my coffee, make sure I hydrate really, really well before heading out today. So that's what I'm doing. And y'all, I know I need an ironing board. I have needed an ironing board for years, but honestly, it don't bother me ironing on the bed because it's the way I've always done it. But I probably will invest in one because I will be changing my room soon. And when I put my new comforter on here, I know I'm not going to do this. So ironing board coming one day. This that laser ironing. This don't even need iron. All right, so this is what I'm wearing. Just you know, gotta rip the brand. And this today, it's comfy, it's cute, it's stylish. You know how you just want to throw on a t-shirt, like you just ain't in the mood to have on no tight clothes. The vibe for the day is baggy, loose, baggy, and comfort. But this shirt is what's gonna, and my accessories is what's gonna up it up a notch to make it look, you know, like I put an outfit on, and baby, I really ain't. So yeah. Oh, and I'll leave the link for this shirt. And I'll be back once, probably I'll make it to the shop.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, dos, traits, and face, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5.
Hey guys, so we are currently at the University of Alabama. I am helping my cousin get moved into his dorm room, and y'all, I low-key am very sad that I've never had the like college university experience, because that is, I'm gonna say, but I was saying, then look at this lighting. See, why my bathroom light don't look like this? Anyway, so we are just helping him get his stuff together. Okay. Good. This way, let's go. Oh. Okay, here we go. But yeah, it's so cool. I'm so proud. And I already did this. I had to put it together. Just call me Builder. Just call me Builder Bomb J, because that's basically what I am. See, I didn't bring my tripod, y'all, but you doing all right? This is nice, isn't it? I know. I know.
Jazz got one. Yeah, you got a charge.
That's in my purse.
I see the river.
All right, so let's go set this up.
No, you like me, ain't you?
Boy, I've been recording. Y'all been recording. Been. Yeah, I should have my tripod. But I'm gonna put y'all. Figure it out. Vanessa's a little situation. Oh, you got the linens? Come on.
I ain't put none. I wasn't gonna hang none. Oh. Then he got to share. What you doing? Recording? I'm not sure. Can you turn it all the way up?
And I'm just the poopy.
Turn it. Fix the one on top. Fix the one on top. Turn it the other way.
Girl, I know what to do.
You know how to do it?
I'm just putting them in here so that I can get it organized. I can get it organized when I get done doing this. But, or I could just put this down and go on and do it. Nobody gonna be stealing
You got some.
this. No, got no lock for the bathroom.
This ain't special.
Here. because I need to get me one of these. Cute. Yeah, I'm just doing too much.